So let's make this emission more interesting. If we go back to this sphere and we'll put a mountain on, well, we'll need some more resolution frequency here. 10 should be fine. And then drop a mountain. Okay, give us a bit more of an interesting shape. If I push that up to 2, okay, something like that. And then clip the bottom. Whoops. I think we did this earlier, okay, just so, you know, when I'm wasting simulation time on the bottom, obviously this will just be coming from the floor. And then polyfill, excuse me, to fill that gap in the bottom, so we still get some points there. And we still, yeah, we don't have a lot of points in here. So what we can do, or what I often do, is if we dive into the solver and then find the voxel size here, copy that, and use that and link that up with our particle separation here. Okay, and then so you'll see when I drop this down, if I, well, I'll just do it. Dive inside here, drop this to 0.05, let's say, come back out, and I got more points. Just have the same there, okay? So that's good. Let's see if that made much difference for us. There we go, still not super exciting, but better than it was. Let's add some noise. So noise after there. So attribute noise. And obviously not color. We want to work on that flame. So come in here. We're working on the flame. And it's not a vector, it's a float. And let's visualize it. There we go. And let's do min-max values and multiply this. So we're going to multiply the incoming value by this, right? By what we're making. And I want to remap this so that we get something a bit more contrasted. Like that. Let's give ourselves some more space. So do this one about 0.2, and then this one maybe like that. And then make them curved. So set them to this monotone cubic, and this one as well. There we go, so we get some nice curves. And maybe down to 0, 0.2 and 0, okay. We could play around with the noise type, Perlin or something else. Let me change the background to dark so we can see that a bit better. And then element size, make it a bit more, it's a bit smaller for our scale, 0.25. And then we want animation as well. Okay, so we play that. If we drop the post duration, we'll get something faster. Turn that on. Okay. So, you know, a fire with flames, kind of like a kind of campfire look is what we're going for. It's pretty, you know, it's surprisingly violent, even though it's a small thing. You know, you have lots of changes going on. And in a small scale, you want fast speeds, right? Okay, we can give it some more roughness, and that should be good. So let's see how that should help out quite a bit. Is that the visualizer that's causing problems there? Let's go inside. Okay, getting something now. It's changed quite a bit. But obviously, yeah, we need some bigger flames on there. You can see they're starting to kind of emit some kind of flames licking up there. But we need to definitely work on that.